Today we'll go ahead with the problems of exercise 7.4. They want you to select 5 cards, but one among them should be yes. If they don't give restriction, out of 17, 11 can be chosen in 17C, 6 into 5 into 4, 3 terms divided by 3 factorial. And remaining 2, out of 2, you should select 2, 2C2 is 1. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today we'll go ahead with the problems of exercise 7.4. Determine the number of 5 card combinations out of deck of 52 cards if there is exactly one ace in each combination. They want you to select 5 cards, but one among them should be ace. See, first in 52 cards, we'll have exactly 4 aces and 48 cards which are not aces. So 48 cards are not aces, 4 are aces. So they want you to select 5 cards. If they want you to select 5 cards, 52C4 you could have done. But they gave a restriction. You have to select one ace and remaining 4 cards. So out of 4 aces, one ace can be selected in 4C1 ways. And out of remaining, see, total I need to select how many cards? 5 cards. So remaining 48 cards are there. So if you want to select remaining 4 cards, only one ace you should select. So if you want to select ace, you should pick from this heap. So out of 4 aces, one ace can be selected in 4C1. Remaining total 5 cards you need. So remaining 4 more you should select from non-aces, 48C4. So this is the format. What is 4C1? 4. Into 48C4 means from 48 expand 4 terms. 48 into 47 into 46 into 45 divided by 4 factorial. 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 48C4 means 4C1 is 4 into is there into 48C4 means from 48 4 terms decreasing 48, 47, 46, 45. Denominator 4 factorial. Now this 4 and this 4 I can cancel. 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 5s are 2 ones are 2 2s are 2 3s are. Now you multiply 48 into 47 into 23 into 15, you will get 778320. You can use calculators. PUC students can use calculators. CBSE children multiply and get the answer. In how many ways one can select a team of 11 from 17 players, and in which 5 players can bowl, means 5 bowlers are there, and a team of 11 should include 4 bowlers. Same story. Say I have 17 players. How many players are there? 17 players are there. In that 17, 5 are bowlers. How many are bowlers? 5 are bowlers. Remaining are not bowlers. See, they told 5 can bowl. So I have 5 bowlers. And out of the remaining 12 are non-bowlers. They cannot bowl. So now you need to select 11 players. If they don't give restriction, out of 17, 11 can be chosen in 17C 11. You know NCR. What is NCR? Selecting R from N things. If they don't give restriction, I would have taken 17C 11. But they gave a restriction. What is the restriction? They want you to select 11 players. So in which 5 players can bowl. So in 11, exactly 4 bowlers you should include. See, so first out of 5 bowlers, you have to select 4 bowlers. So now I selected 4 bowlers. Remaining how many? See, I want 11 players. So 11 players should include 4 bowlers and remaining non-bowlers. Remaining non-bowlers means 11 minus 4. What is 11 minus 4? 7 non-bowlers. So out of 5, you have to select 4 because I want 4 bowlers. 4 bowlers I have to select from 5 bowlers because totally I have 5 bowlers. Out of 5 bowlers, 4 bowlers can be selected in 5C4 ways. And remaining I have 12 players. From the 12 players, I have to select how many more? 7 more. So 7 plus 4 down, if you add the base part, 7 plus 4, 11. 11 you are selecting. Set of 4 you are selecting from 5. Set of 7 you are selecting from 12. Now simplify this. What is 5C4? You have a shortcut. NCR in maths is same as NC n minus R. NCR is what? NCN minus R. So can I write it as 5C4 can be written as 5C 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Similarly, 12C7 can be written as 12C 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7 is 5. So now I reduced it. So 5C1 is 5 into 12C5 means from 12 5 terms. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So 5 terms divided by 5 factorial. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 5 cancels. 4 ones are 4 threes are 3 cancels, and then 2 ones are 2 fours are. So multiply the remaining terms. So remaining I have 9 fours are 36. 36 into 10, 360 into 11. So 11 6 are 66. 11 3s are 33. 33 plus 6 39. So 3960. So 3960 different ways I can select. Logic is simple. Out of 5 bowlers, you have to select 4 bowlers. That can be done in 5C4. But I need 11. So 4 you selected. Remaining 7 you should select. 7 you should select from this non-bowlers. That is 12. Out of 12, 7 can be selected in 12C7. This is 1 unit. So 5C4 into 12C7 if you do, we'll get the answer. 5C4 is longer. So 5C4 is same as 5C 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. 12C7 is same as 12C 12 minus 7. It is 5. That's it. A bag contains 5 black, 6 red balls. 5 black balls. So they told there is a bag, and in that bag we have 5 black balls and 6 red balls. And determine the number of ways in which 2 black balls, you have to select 2 black balls, and 3 red balls. You have to select how many red balls? 3 red balls. So out of 5 black balls, 2 red balls can be selected in 5C2 ways. Out of 6 red balls, they want you to select 3 red balls. That can be selected in 6 3 easy ways. Total number of ways is 5C2 into 6C3. What is 5C2? 5 into 4 divided by 2 factorial, 2 into 1. What is 6C3? 6 into 5 into 4, 3 terms divided by 3 factorial, 3 into 2 into 1. Simplify, 2 ones are 2 twos are, 3 twos are 6 and 6 cancel. So this is 5 twos are 10 into 5 fours are 20. So it will become total 200. Then, so there are 9 courses and student has to select 5 courses. In that 5 courses, he has to select specifically 2. 2 must and should he should take, and he has 3 choice. So for 3 he can select. There are 9 courses. Out of 9 courses, 2 are specific, 7 are non-specific. So the student has to select 3 out of this 7. So number of ways he can select is number of ways. See, the student, of course, he has to select 5, but 2 he has to must and should, he should take specific. So he has choice for only 3. 3 he has to select from 7. So total number of ways is 7C3, that's it. And remaining 2 out of 2, you should select 2. 2C2 is 1. So no need, 7C3. 7C3 means 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. 3 to the 6 and 6 cancels, 35. So now I have done basic problems of permutation. Sit and revise all and become thorough. I'll see you in my next session. Thank you.